Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technical Speaks. In this video we are going to discuss about the architecture components of Android. So here you can see the architecture diagram of Android operating system. So basically Android operating system is a stack of software components which is roughly divided into 5 sections and 4 main layers, as you can see here in the diagram. At the bottom of the layers is Linux kernel. This provides basic system functionality like process management, memory management, device management like camera, keypad, display, Wi-Fi, etc. Also handles all the things that Linux is really good at, such as networking and a vast array of device drivers, which is useful for interfacing with the peripheral hardware devices. On the top of Linux kernel, there is a set of libraries such as Media, Graphics, Surface Manager, OpenGL, etc. These are to provide a support for Android development. Let's discuss it one by one. The very first Surface Manager, it is responsible for managing access to the display subsystem. Next we have Media Framework. So Media Framework provides support to play and record an audio and video formats. Next, SQLite, it provides database support. The next, SGL and the OpenGL both are cross-platform application program interface, also we called API, which are used for 2D and 3D computer graphics. The next, FreeType, it is useful for parsing font file according to its font format. The next we have is WebKit. This open source web browser engine provides all the functionality to display web content and to simplify page loading. The next, SSL, which is Secure Sockets Layer. It's security technology to establish an encrypted link between a web server and a web browser. Last we have lib. This is just standard C library which is useful for bug fixing in the Android development. The next layer we have is Android Runtime. This is the third section of the architecture and available on the second layer from the bottom. This section provides a key component called Dalvik Virtual Machine, which is a kind of Java virtual machine specially designed and optimized for Android. The Dalvik virtual machine makes use of Linux core features like memory management, multi-threading, using the standard Java programming language. The Dalvik virtual machine enables every Android application to run in its own process with its own instance of the Dalvik virtual machine. Also, the Android Runtime provides a set of core libraries which enable Android application developers to write Android applications using a standard Java programming language. Next layer we have is Application Framework. The Application Framework layer provides many higher level services to applications in the form of Java classes. Application developers are allowed to make use of these services in their applications. Generally, it provides the services with the help of which we can create a particular class and make that class helpful for the application's creation. It includes different types of services like Activity Manager, Notification Manager, View System, Package Manager, and etc., which are helpful for the development of our application according to the prerequisite. The next and top layer we have is the applications. You will find all the Android application at the top layer. You will write your application to be installed on this layer only. The pre-installed applications like Home, Contacts, Camera, Gallery, etc., and third-party applications downloaded from the Play Store like chat applications, game, etc., will be installed on this layer only. It runs within the Android runtime with the help of the classes and services provided by the application framework. So friends, this is the complete detailed explanation about Android architecture components. In the next video, we will discuss about Android lifecycle. And for the complete Android tutorial videos, check the playlist, link is there in the I tab and description of this video. And last, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you are new to my channel, and hit the bell icon if you want to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.